Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, let me show you how easy it is to create profitable YouTube videos, multi-video series, and optimize channels that rank on page 1, drive unlimited views, and grow subscribers in just minutes, all from one powerful dashboard using VidBamboo. I promise you've never seen anything like this. You'll see how anyone, even with no SEO experience, can turn any keyword into profit-pulling YouTube videos and auto-ranks them on page 1 for unlimited views and traffic, all using VidBamboo.
Welcome to the VidBamboo platform, an enterprise-grade AI solution designed to create and rank high-performing YouTube videos effortlessly. This platform transforms any keyword into optimized content, driving traffic, leads, and sales on complete autopilot. No technical expertise is required. VidBamboo empowers users across all industries to succeed on YouTube. VidBamboo automates the entire video creation process, from generating trending ideas to producing scripts, videos, and metadata for maximum visibility. Let's explore how it works. Add your login credentials, then click on Login. When you log in, the dashboard opens with a clean overview of your account. You'll see your videos and series, plus quick competitor insights across 30 days, 60 days, and 12 months. Right away, you can also view top-performing competitor videos to analyze their strategies and optimize your approach, to spot what's working in your niche and where the opportunities are. VidBamboo supports 2 powerful video workflows: AI avatar videos and fully automated faceless videos. I'll walk you through both so you can see how quickly an idea becomes a finished, publish-ready video. Let's start with the AI avatar creator. Click the AI video creator here, type a keyword that represents the product or topic you want to cover. For example, affiliate marketing. That single keyword is the seed. Then click Generate Video Content below. VidBamboo's AI instantly generates all components needed for a professional video. The platform delivers a compelling title, a value-driven script, a YouTube-optimized description, targeted tags, hashtags, keywords, and a custom thumbnail. Need a different thumbnail? Click Generate New Thumbnail to create an alternative. Next, create the video. Next, choose how to present it. You can upload a photo to generate a custom avatar or select from the platform's library of ready avatars. Click on Load Preset Avatars to see the list of avatars that VidBamboo offers. Click on the Next button to view more. Once you've made your selection, if you want a preview, click on the Preview button below, or go ahead and click on Next. Here you have the AI voices, preview, and pick a matching voice to the avatar you've selected from the options, then click on Next. And here you have the video script to proofread or tweak lines before generating the video. When you're happy, click Start Video Generation. The platform processes the video in minutes, sending an email notification upon completion for download or direct YouTube posting. Let's preview a sample AI avatar video to showcase the result.
Probably heard about affiliate marketing, right? Maybe you're scratching your head, wondering, what in the world is affiliate marketing? Or you're...
That's the power of AI-driven content. Let's move to the next functionality. Next up, the Video Series Creator, VidBamboo's faceless video workflow. This is ideal for evergreen niches and short-form formats. This 4-step process delivers engaging, automated content. Step 1. Select a destination. Click the drop-down to choose Email Me instead to get the video delivery on your email once created, or Post to YouTube to automatically post to your connected YouTube channel. For this demo, Email Me instead is selected. Step 2. Customize the video. Select a duration from the options below. Add captions for engagement? Toggle Yes. Choose font, size, color, and position. Medium-sized black text at the bottom is selected. Click Next. Next, click on Select Content to input a custom prompt or let the AI generate one. For this demo, let's click on Generate Prompt. Here, let's give the system an idea. Let's type 5 daily habits to improve your health is entered, targeting the trending health niche. Click Generate Prompt. The AI creates a tailored prompt. Review it on your screen and edit if needed, then click Next. Step 3. Select a voice here. Let's choose a female American voice, Sarah. Then let's go ahead to choose a video style such as 3D render, graphics design 3D, creative, dynamic, and more. For this demo, we'll select creative. Finally, pick an aspect ratio. That's your screen size, like portrait for TikTok or YouTube Shorts. Click Next. Here, click on Start Audio Generation, then the VidBamboo requests you generate the images. Click on Start Image Generation. Lastly, the VidBamboo wants us to generate the faceless video from the informations we've given. Click on Generate Video. And here we go. Let's play a brief clip.
Introducing 5 daily habits for improving your health. First, start your day with a nutritious breakfast to kickstart your metabolism.
The chosen style shapes the video's aesthetic. Let's move to the AI chat. AI Chart is your personal channel coach. Click the AI Coach tab. On your right, the tool provides tailored strategies for channel growth. Select a predefined question from the list below or input a custom query below, and the AI Coach will give you the best answer needed to grow your channel. Next, let's explore My Videos. Click My Videos on your left to view all AI avatar videos created. Next, Video Series. Switch to Video Series to access faceless videos. Everything is organized for quick access. Now let's dive into Ideation. Click the Ideation tab to generate video ideas. First, hit Get Ideas. Enter a keyword like affiliate marketing. You can also change the location, then click on Generate. Here you can see the monthly search volume for the keyword affiliate marketing on YouTube. Alongside that, VidBamboo provides the trend, the keyword difficulty rating, and the estimated potential views you could capture if your video ranks for this keyword. In this case, we have over 45,000 views, so this is a valuable insight before you even hit record. Scrolling down, the platform also suggests related keywords. You can choose to explore these alternatives or stick with your original keyword. And if you want deeper analysis, simply click More Insights. VidBamboo then delivers advanced details, potential monthly views, trend, additional ranking opportunities, and crucially, competitor data. Click on the competition button to see what other creators are doing around this keyword, the types of videos they're publishing, and how they're performing. It even reveals the average length of top videos for your keyword. You also see the shortest, longest, and overall performance patterns. This is powerful because you can align your own strategy with what's proven to work. And it gets even more interesting. VidBamboo highlights the top-ranking videos for your chosen keyword. You can study their view counts, likes, comments, and the exact keywords they rank for. Use this intelligence to refine your own content and even repurpose their ranking keywords as hashtags in your video. Next, let's look at competitor research. Here, you simply type in the keyword that defines your niche. VidBamboo scans YouTube and identifies the leading channels for that keyword. For example, let's use affiliate marketing. The platform instantly lists multiple channels dominating the space. Clicking into any channel reveals their top-performing videos. From there, you can study formats, topics, and strategies that drive results. Even better, VidBamboo can monitor selected competitor channels daily, giving you fresh insights into what's working right now. You'll see their top-ranking videos, complete with views, watch hours, and performance data. You can even click through to watch their content directly on YouTube. This means you're not guessing what works in your niche. You're learning from proven leaders and using that knowledge to build even better content with VidBamboo. Now let's move to a major feature, optimization. This tool allows you to take videos you've already published on YouTube, especially those that aren't ranking, and instantly improve them. Once you connect your Google account, your videos sync into the VidBamboo dashboard. To optimize a video, select it, then enter the target keyword you want it to rank for. Immediately, VidBamboo scans the video and highlights the exact errors or gaps that are holding it back. For example, it might detect missing keywords in your description, too few hashtags, or absence of the keyword in your title. Here we're having 6 errors. For each issue, VidBamboo doesn't just flag the error, it gives you the specific fix. Add more hashtags, include your keyword in the description, or adjust your title. Just follow the instructions to fix the errors, As you make these changes, the error list updates in real time until all issues are resolved. With a single click on Update on YouTube, your optimized metadata is applied directly to your YouTube video. This means existing content that wasn't ranking before now has a much higher chance to break into the first page. Next, let's check out the keyword. Here, you can track and analyze high-performing keywords on YouTube. Simply add a keyword and VidBamboo loads its data. Then, by clicking Preview, you'll see the top-ranking videos for that keyword. Click on any of the ranking videos to view their titles, descriptions, views, and engagement stats. This feature lets you create content with precision. You're not shooting in the dark, you're modeling content around strategies that are already working. As the saying goes, success leaves clues, and VidBamboo helps you follow those clues to consistent growth. Finally, let's look at analytics. This section gives you a clean snapshot of how your channel is performing overall. Even in this demo account, you can see new followers gained from AI-generated videos and other engagement metrics. It's a simple but powerful way to measure progress and track growth over time. And that's the complete workflow inside VidBamboo. From discovering the best keywords, to analyzing competitors, optimizing existing content, and creating brand new videos, VidBamboo equips you with every tool you need to build and grow a successful channel. Whether your goal is a faceless YouTube channel, a branded avatar-led series, or simply better ranking for the content you already have, VidBamboo gives you the structure to make it happen. Plus, the platform includes step-by-step trainings to help you get results quickly and with confidence. Thank you for joining this demo. We look forward to seeing your success story in the VidBamboo community.